Welcome to this Excel tutorial on how to create drop-down lists. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn a simple and efficient way to enhance your spreadsheet's usability. First, let's open an Excel workbook and select the cell where you want the drop-down list to appear. Next, navigate to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon and click on the Data Validation button. A dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, select the List option from the Allow drop-down menu. Now, you need to specify the source of your drop-down list. You can either manually enter the list items into the Source field separated by commas or use a range of cells on your spreadsheet. To enter the list items manually, click on Field and write Yes, comma and then write No. Each item is separated by comma. Click OK to apply the drop-down list to the selected cell. As you see, we have list in the selected cell. To use a range of cells, select the bottom cell. Next, click on the Data Validation button. The dialog box will appear. Click on the small icon at the right end of the Source field. A new dialog box will open, allowing you to select the range containing your list items. Go to Programs sheet and select the list of programs. After selecting the range, click OK to return to the previous dialog box. Finally, click OK to apply the drop-down list to the selected cell. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down list in Excel. If you try to enter some other text, it show an alert and do not allow now. You can customize your drop-down list by adding an input message or an error alert if necessary. Feel free to experiment with additional options and features to further enhance your spreadsheet's functionality. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this.